Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about a lot, boy, you speak French now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nice to meet you, nice to see ya. My name is Mackenzie Drake. Before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe. Down below. We already know the deal. Today, I have a bunch of packages to unbox. So, as you can see, we got a lot of boxes, and then I have a whole bag of clothes. I also got some stuff from Walmart. Some of these are sent to me, some of these I bought myself. This is the bag of clothes. I'm excited. I don't know. I literally ordered all this shit like before I went home. And then I came back from break and I had I'd literally like 8-9 packages waiting. So I was like, the way they were sitting, I was like, I need to film an unboxing. I'm first gonna start with these clothes. I got 6 pieces from wholesale21.com. I will put the link first thing in the description with all the clothes. I also have a discount code. It's Mackenzie8 to get 8% off your order. I don't remember exactly what I got, so this is gonna be exciting. I'm also gonna do a try on with these clothes just because. Why not? You know, why not? The first piece, they're fairly cheap if I don't remember. So they're just like a little wholesale company, and they reached out to me and they were like, you wanna try some of our clothes? And I was like, sure, why not? This looks like a white something. I don't really know. I don't know how their sizing works. Oh, this is just a big white hoodie. I just needed to have a basic white hoodie because I don't have one. This looks like it's gonna fit me. It looks huge. I don't know if it has a tag. I got this in a 4X. I think this kind of more looks like a 3 or a 2X, but it's just a white little hoodie. It has this little fleece in the hood. It feels quite thick actually. Like it seems pretty warm. So I just got this little white hoodie. This is just called the white basic hooded collar. You know, the basics. I just need to have one of those. These are called the green sexy positioning print bottoms. Bro, they're Sprite. I had to get them. So they're just little cotton like green shorts. But they say obey your thirst in Sprite. If you don't know me, Sprite is my favorite freaking soda. I had to get these. I saw them on the site. They don't have the size in them, but I'm guessing I got them in an extra large. I think they'll fit, but they're just little green shorts. I thought these would just be so funny to wear just in like the house. This looks huge. I don't know what this is. I really like all the little bags that it comes in. Ooh, this is leather. And then that was called the black joint turn down collar jacket. I just got this little cropped like PU leather like bubble coat. I think this is gonna fit me. I'm not sure what size I got it in. It also has little drawstrings on the hood. This is adorable. I really fuck with this. Not sure if it's gonna fit me though. A little nervous about that. I think it will. But it's just this cute little cropped one. Oh my god. I love that. Ooh, this is more leather. This is brown. What is this? Is this a jacket? Did I get another jacket? I mean, I got another jacket. So this is a little brown coat, but it doesn't have a hood. I think this is super cute. This is called the brown casual solid split joint zipper. It's pretty thick. It's not like fleece or anything on the inside, but I love that. Even though it is like a coat, I hate having coats that are too thick because then when I like go inside, I'm fucking like dying. Because normally if it's cold, I'm gonna wear like a long sleeve under it. I just need like a little over the top coat. So this is cute. This is red. I think this is like a little jumpsuit set. I think the lighting is really making this look orange. I could have sworn I got it in red. Is this orange? Am I colorblind? So I got them in red, but something's making them orange. But these are literally just like leggings. It's just a little matching zipper like jacket. This quality is a little thin. This one is a little thin. This is called the Red Hooded Collar 2-piece, and I think it's just the lighting that's making it look orange, or maybe it is orange. I don't know about that one, but this is the last piece right here. It's called the Black Asymmetrical Crop Top 2-piece. Let's see what I got, because I don't know. So this is just a black like velvet zipper jacket. And then I got little shorts. So they're just black little velvet shorts with ties on the side. I love this style. Like, this would be so cute just to wear around the house, clean. Those are really cute pieces. Shout out to them for sending it. All right, so those were all the clothes from wholesale21.com. Make sure y'all go check out their website. I'll put it down below. Use my coupon code if you want. Get into all these goodies. I'm excited. I ordered some stuff off Amazon that I just haven't opened yet. Yeah, I'll leave the rest for a surprise. We also have 2 mystery packages. I don't know what's in them, so we shall see. So I went to Walmart the other day. I got this little like satin like bonnet. Literally it said slumber cap. I'm like, it's a bonnet. I hate going to bed and having my hair down. Having it up just damages it. So I feel like that's a good solution. I don't know. And then I bought a little round brush because I want to try doing like little blowouts or something. I also bought a new brush and it works so much better. It's like a tangle brush, but it's not the wet brush or anything. It has bristles. Like, it's attached like individually like in columns so that it like moves with your hair. And I'm like, if this brush breaks, I don't know. Because I just have so many issues with brushes breaking. I got some salon clips because I think these would be better to hold my hair back than my headband if I have my hair done, you know. Some more tan stuff. I use the Tan Day F. Be Tanned. This is the I Want the Darkest Tan Possible, which I haven't tried yet. So I hope it's not too dark. They didn't have the like normal dark one, if you know what I mean. So I was like, okay, I'll just get this one. And then I got these little headbands. So I've already been wanting to get these, and then Maddie on Euphoria, if you've seen the 2nd episode, she had on like one of the black ones at the party, at the New Year's party, and it's just so cute. Like, I love how it divides your hair up here. So we might be using these for a look. I don't know. We're gonna start with my first Amazon package. Some of them, literally all of them, already opened because I wanted to find my hair clips. This huge set of hair clips because I literally only had one and it broke. And then I tried getting like some from Dollar Tree and it's just too small and it won't hold my hair. So I decided to get this huge pack from Amazon. They have all the colors clear. And I just love that. There's a yellow one. So I got this LED light mirror for my car because whenever I put my thing down, like, my mirror doesn't have lights. It's old. So I was like, girl, I'm gonna do this. This is bougie as hell, but that's me. You know, that's about to be me. That's about to be me right there. Got some crystal bracelets because I've been trying to get my bracelet game up. I love seeing like on TikTok people with like a bunch of bracelets, and I'm like, I love it. I want to get more charm bracelets. This bracelet I'm wearing right now, I got this in Miami and they're cute. See, look, there's a bunch of multicolored little bracelets. Ah, so cute. I'm gonna put one on. How it matches my, oh yeah. So they're just a bunch of colors and I just love that. So what, these 2 packages right here, I have no idea what they are. I'm like, I got them, I was like, huh? I don't know. So let's see what they are. Bruh, I forgot I ordered these on Amazon, bro. This is a fucking, I could have sworn I canceled the order. Bro, so I ordered this necklace and this headband, but I'm pretty sure I canceled the order. I could have sworn I did, but they fucking sent it. No, I thought I canceled. Wait, because that necklace was expensive. So I thought this would be such a look. I don't know. I'm getting some more clothes soon, so maybe I'll have a better piece to wear. But this is just a fur headband. Isn't this so cute? I thought the purple was so different, but I just got like this little fur headband. If I remember to put all the Amazon links, I'll try. Hopefully this, I don't even think this is gonna fit my head. Wait, I'm not gonna try it on. That's too much work for me right now. This is a necklace. Wait, so I lost my Mackenzie necklace. Y'all probably knew that. Hopefully this is cute though. It's like rhinestoned out like Kenzie, like, and it's kind of big. Bruh, I don't even think it comes together. I'm so confused. So here is the charm, I guess. Oh my god, y'all. I think it came with 2 different ropes, or I don't know what this rope is. Y'all look. Bro, this is kind of fire. Isn't this kind of fire? I don't know, but it's kind of gleaming. It's definitely probably not real, but you know. And then it comes with this little like, this looks hella small. I got a big neck. Does it look so funny? Does it look cheap? I'm pretty sure this is like a $50, $60 necklace. I don't even know how to put it on. What it looks like. I don't know if that's too extra. I don't know, man. This kind of looks funny. Whatever. This is my second package. I got a Brita. Yay. So my roommate moved out last semester and she had the Brita. So I was like, fine, I'll buy the Brita. Let me try to open it. Bruh, this box is so packed in. I don't even know how to get it out. So I got one of these big old Britas, okay, and it has the little spouts. I feel like this would be so much easier than having to like literally take it out and everything. Ooh, and it has so much water space. I also just got 3 little Brita filters because I'm guessing I'm gonna need them at some point. And here I bought screen protectors for my phone because I got a new phone and it still doesn't have a screen protector or case on it. I know. My case is supposed to get here tomorrow? Today? No, tomorrow? That's all my Amazon stuff. It was literally all just Amazon shit. And then here, Sephora freaking sent me a package. Can we talk about it? Sephora collection, okay. Woo! So they sent me some makeup. I'm so excited. Oh, I've never gotten like PR from Sephora. Are you kidding? I'm so excited. It says, we want to hear from you. Try us on, then glow and tell. We can't keep these goodies to ourselves, so we're sharing the love instead. What a cute little board. Oh, gosh, there's brushes. I've been needing new brushes. Isn't this setup so cute? I've been wanting a scalp massager. Stop. Okay. So they sent me 2 blush palettes. Wait, I need to set this down. I got these 2 Sephora S Clean blush palettes. This one is more burgundy and this is like all rosy types. Oh, these velvety soft hybrid cream to powder blushes create a natural and seamless flush that lasts throughout the day. They also sent this. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Palette. I've never heard of that before. So you can use it as blush, bronzer, and there's highlighting shades. So it's like it's a blush, bronzer, another blush, and like a highlighter shade. Oh, I love that. And they also sent their liquid eyeliner, waterproof in black. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm excited to try this. They also sent the eyeliner in brown. And then they also sent their Sephora Deluxe brush set. Oh my god, it comes with 10 brushes. Ooh. I've been wanting new brushes. Thank you so much, Sephora. Oh my gosh. And then they also sent a scalp massager. I've been wanting a fucking scalp massager. I was literally about to buy one on Amazon just because my scalp needs it. And yeah, I would just much rather put on my shampoo and then like massage my scalp. I love this. Love it. It's just a little pink color. And they sent me a face mask. They're coming in clutch because I've been wanting to buy a face mask. I actually have no face mask. I used to use them like I used to have like 3 or 4 face masks and then they got old and I threw them away. And I haven't bought a new one. So, this is Sephora AHA, BHA, PHA. I don't know, but that sounds good. Unscented, refining, and smoothing, resurfacing peel mask. Ooh! For all skin types. I'm excited to use this. I've been needing a mask for so long. That's everything they sent me. Thank you so much, Sephora, because I'm so honored. Like, I can't believe Sephora really wanted to send me stuff. But anyways, that's everything for my little unboxing. If you want to see more like this, I'm always ordering stuff on Amazon. Literally like a fucking lunatic. That Amazon Prime be coming in clutch with everything. Everything. Like, it's just the love of my life. Let me know if y'all love Amazon. I love her. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll try to put all the links below. And that's everything. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Stay tuned for more clothing hauls. I have some more Valentine's Day ones. I'm gonna do a Dolls Kill Valentine's Day haul. We got some goodies. Oh my gosh, I got such cute shit from Dolls Kill. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's everything. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scout.